you might really value being liked or being popular or whatever. You might also really value being honest. And then sometimes honesty is going to make people not like you. And so now you're in this, what do I do? How do I act as an honest person but still remain liked, and all that kind of stuff. And so this gets down to, well, which one do you value more? And one doesn't have to necessarily win. You can actually, if it's unconscious, you end up with these different impulses and what looks like confusion in the moment. I'm
Right.
confused. What do I do? Do I get really honest with my partner about XYZ that I know is going to hurt them and maybe cause a fight or not be liked? Is it that important? Or do I just let it go? And if I just let it go, I'm not honoring the value that I really hold of being honest, let's say. And so what happens? We end up building inner resentments. And now we're holding these inner resentments that are making me really angry. So now I'm getting angrier and angrier over time. Then something else little happens. It gets piled onto the resentment. And then I've got way too much anger. So now I'm back to, how do I get really honest about this? I want to be my truth, but I really want to get along. I want to, be liked.
Right.
I said
Right.
before, but maybe it's just I value getting along in my relationship or something. And so once again, I let it until it's too big. And then the reaction is out of balance for what it's supposed to be, for what happened in that moment, because I haven't been my value the entire time. I haven't been, true in my words and in my actions and all that. And so now I've got a real problem in my life. It's a real problem in my life. I've got real conflict. It might lead to divorce or separation or whatever that is. It could
Right.
be that I don't know how to navigate that. But the whole time I'm feeling horrible because I haven't resolved how to be, how to put one down and say, hey, I've got to be honest here, and say it in a way where I can still be liked, or resolve it so that both of those values can remain solid.
Right. Because
Yeah.
what happens is you end up reacting like somebody who doesn't know what matters, right? Which is
Yes.